Falcon 9 is in startup. Stage 2 pressing for flight.
Go for launch.
Stage 1 pressing for flight.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion's nominal.
Powering telemetry nominal.
So at T plus 47 seconds into flight, everything is looking nominal. We're currently preparing to throttle down as we enter max Q.
Vehicle is supersonic. Vehicle has reached maximum aerodynamic pressure.
So there you just heard we passed through max Q. We'll now throttle back up.
MVAC engine chill.
There you heard the call out for MVAC engine chill. This is the point in which, like I mentioned before, we start to flow the super cold liquid oxygen into the turbopumps, bringing them down to flight temperatures. This helps us reduce the temperature difference between the liquid oxygen and the hardware. Everything looking good with stage 1 trajectory. Main engine cut off. MECO 1 approaching now.
Eco.
And there on your screen you can see that the second stage engine has lit the gorgeous red orange glow of that nozzle. We're now at T plus 3 minutes and 5 seconds into flight. Coming up next will be fairing deployment. Now that second stage is in the vacuum of space, we don't need the fairing anymore, so in order to improve our vehicle efficiency, we shed the extra weight.